What's going on, everybody? So we have decided to try to come up with a little bit of a different look for the front, and I didn't want to spend a whole bunch of money, so we went with the Amazon turn signal running lights. They were 30 bucks. Other options are much higher, but I wanted to see what these would do first, try them out, see what they look like. I'm going to show you what they look like first, and we'll go from there. Alright, so what I've noticed, these are the PBY-MT 1157 turn signal lights. 2-inch bulb front and rear LEDs with the smoked lens. What I've noticed putting them in is they seem to be left and right. So I take the old bulb out. When I go to put the LED in, there's nothing there to really grab like a bulb would have. So you have nothing to quite turn with. If I swap to the other one, it'd go in pretty easily. Don't know if that's on purpose, don't know if that's just my bike, don't know if that's just operator error, not sure. The only negative I saw when I finally put it together and turned it on for the first time, they blinked really, really fast, like there was a bulb out. Went through the cycles of everything, checked it all, now they're working just fine. Other than that, I think it's a good buy. I don't see any problems with them. The front looks a lot better. They're LEDs, so they're gonna last longer. And for 30 bucks, if they burn out in a month, I got the old set I can put back in and check them out. But I don't think it's gonna happen. I know some friends that have these, and I think it's gonna work pretty well. So we'll just find out. Appreciate everybody watching. Y'all have a great day.